Welcome to this module. In this module, we will work in our data model. Specifically, we will have a look at the data view and the relationship view. This means we will dive into data analysis now. Specifically, in this module, we will understand relationships. So relationships help us to establish connections between different tables and to allow these tables to communicate with each other. We'll also have a look at the M language and compare it to DAX. DAX is the language or the code, you could say, behind the operations we can apply in the data model. The M language is the code or the logic behind the operations applied in the query editor. We'll also have a DAX introduction here, so we will get you started with this DAX language, and you'll also learn how you can use it in Power BI and also in other tools using this DAX language. In connection with that, we'll have a look at the difference between calculated columns and measures. Both can be calculated in the data view and both have different implications and application areas in our report later on. And finally, we'll have a look at categorizing data. So what can we do with our data? Which additional information can we add to help Power BI Desktop to better understand our data? That's what's inside this module. So let's get started.